Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're making some mini Slimline cards. We're going to be using the Something Fancy bundle. That's the stamp set and these dies. And we're also going to be using the Favorite Flowers Sale-A-Bration designer series paper. You can earn this for free with a $50 purchase before shipping and tax. We're also going to be using the Regency Park designer series paper, as well as the Enjoy the Adventure Memories and More cards and envelopes. So yeah, this is what we're going to be doing. But of course, before we get into this, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. This is the Sunshine and Smiles Paper Pumpkin Kit for February. This kit is going to be awesome. We got a couple of sneak peeks, as you can see in this photograph of the promotion. You have some add-ons that you can purchase. Some 2 little dies that cuts out a frog and some flowers, and it's only $6. We have to talk about the paper pumpkin kit. This kit is going to make 9 cards. You get 3 each of 3 different designs. You're going to have a Mango Melody stamping spot, and it's going to coordinate with the Rain or Shine suite in the mini catalog. That is my favorite suite in the catalog. So I'm so excited for this paper pumpkin kit. I'm so excited. So if you haven't subscribed to the Paper Pumpkin, please look in the description box below, click the link and subscribe. You do not want to miss out on this. And the dies are available. If they haven't sold out, hopefully they haven't, but they're available to purchase right now. Okay. And so you have until February 10th to subscribe to get this Paper Pumpkin kit, but don't wait. Go ahead and subscribe now, because paper pumpkins can sell out as well. So go ahead and get your subscription ready. Like I said, Sale-A-Bration is going on, where you can earn free products with your purchase. Also during Sale-A-Bration, they have a join special where you can join Stampin' Up, become a demonstrator. You can sell, or you can just get a discount. That's what I started for. I just wanted a discount. But you have the first 2 options here are $129 plus tax. The shipping is free, and for that $129, you're going to get to choose $175 worth of products, any products of your choice that Stampin' Up sells, as well as you get a choice of the boho blue mini Stampin' and Cut and Emboss machine, or the white. So that's options 1 and 2. So 1 is boho blue, 2 is white. Now the third option is our regular price, $99 plus tax. But you still get to choose $175 worth of product, which is $50 more than they usually offer in the starter kit, okay? So this is only till February 28th while Sale-A-Bration is going on. So if you want to join Stampin' Up and you're going to spend $99 anyway, I suggest that you get the starter kit. You'll get more bang for your buck, and I would love to have you join my team, even as a hobby demonstrator. That's fine. If you just want to use the discount, that is perfectly fine. We would love to have you at Honeybee Stampin' Hive. Lastly, we have our January host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, don't use this code, because you'll get Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on any of that. So now, after all of that, let's get started on our project. So today, we're going to be working with the Sheet Load of Cards by Call Me Crafty Owl. This is her January 2023 Sheet Load of Cards sketch. She has a video that you can watch. She gives information on how to get the link to download this free PDF. She gives you all the measurements to make 1 card or 8 cards, because that's why it's called a Sheet Load of Cards. And she gives you the measurements on the paper, the card stock, everything. So yeah, that's what we're going to be doing today. So I have one already cut up and ready to go. So we're just going to put this first one together, because we're going to be making 2 cards. And after I put this one together, I'll show you how I got the what is this? The card base to be the size that we need it. because I am using the Memories and More card pack, remember? And that is, those cards are larger than a standard A2 size card. This is going to be the inside of this card that I'm making right now. I have the Favored Flowers. Is it called? Yeah, Favored Flowers Designer Series paper here. This inside. And we're working with the Petal Pink design cardstock. So we're just going to put this on the inside. Whew. Just like that. Isn't that pretty already? And we haven't even put the card together. Okay. So this is Mango Melody and Pink, Petal Pink. That's where I got the Petal Pink. And we're using this one sheet. We're just going to use both sides of it. So I'm going to go ahead and glue this down to our base. I love this paper. After the, what is it called? The Adorable Owls. This was my second choice. I love this paper. From the Sale-A-Bration free items. Okay. Next, let's do this. It's super cute. You guys, the Sale-A-Bration, you have options at 2 different levels. You have $50 levels and $100 levels. So with every $50 you spend, you can earn a free product. Let's see, is this paper directional? It looks right. They have some that you have to spend $100 to get it free, or some with $50. So if you spend $100, you can choose 2 level 1s, let's say that, or you can choose 1 level 2. It's your choice, and they have plenty of good stuff to choose from. I have links on my blog at honeybeestampinhive.com of the Sale-A-Bration brochure, as well as the new mini catalog and the annual catalog. Oh, I didn't get my Stampin' Dimensionals out because I want to pop up my sentiment. I'm using the mini black dimensionals. This sentiment was die cut using the hexagon that is in this Something Fancy die set. I don't know why I'm using so many dimensionals, but I always do. Yeah, see, that doesn't look like enough. I have empty spaces and I want to fill them. One more, I promise, that's it. Okay, so we got all those backs off. Now we're just gonna pop this on about right here. I stamped this in Rich Razzleberry, although this is Blackberry Bliss. The Blackberry Bliss ink, mine is very juicy and it looked black to me. So I stamped it in Rich Razzleberry to have a lighter look. And I'm going to be using some Milky Dot, the Adhesive-Backed Milky Dots for our embellishment. So let's get those out. And I'm going to be using the Petal Pink ones. Let's see. Let's put one right there. Like that. And I'll get another small one and put it there. Just like that. That is done. Okay, so now we're going to do one more. And I'm going to show you. This is what the Memories and More card bases look like. They're 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. And we're going to cut this down to fit the size of the, what is this called? Oh my gosh. Of the Slimline. Oh my goodness. I couldn't think for a minute. So you don't have to cut it. It's the perfect length. So we're just going to cut it. And now you could have these to decorate something else. I'll put it with the rest of my stash. Okay, so now we're going to do one more. And I'm going to show you. This is what the Memories and More card bases look like. They're 6 1/4 by 4 1/4. And we're going to cut this down to fit the size of the, what is this called? Oh my gosh. Of the Slimline. Oh my goodness. I couldn't think for a minute. So And that's it. And the rest, you just put it together. So let's go ahead and do the same things we did. And I'll speed through this part since you already seen me put the other one together. Is the thank you from the not simply, but Something Fancy stamp set. And we're going to ink that up in Night of Navy. Stamp it right in the middle of our basic white. And then we're going to die cut it. So let's get out our mini Stampin' Cut and Emboss machine, the Baby Boss. And we're going to line our die up on our sentiment. I want the flat edge at the top and bottom. Going to get a little piece of washi tape to hold it down. Let me see. And then we're just going to put our plates together and run it through. Okay, so here we have our die cut. We're going to get some Stampin' Dimensionals to put, oh, look at that. I've stamped on the back of there. Oh, that was the Blackberry Bliss, I think. It looks like it anyway. Put our dimensionals on here. I won't go crazy, I don't think, this time. Okay, so now we have our sentiment on there. We can get our milky dots back out. Where did I put the take your pick tool? Here it is. And we have some Night of Navy dots. So let's put one big one there, a small one there. And this time let's go up top and put one right there. Isn't that cute? These are such cute cards. So these are the January 2023 Show Us Your Sheet Load card sketch from Call Me Crafty Owl. Okay, you guys, I just wanted to come back and let you know I switched the direction of this card. Instead of it being a portrait, I turned it landscape. And I like it like that much better. But both ways are cute. But this one I like this. Just so you know, you can have them both ways. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I would like to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.